Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're in the same flight simulator I tested quite a while ago in a different video. Yes, we are in X-Plane, and we are in a very nice Boeing 737 on a very nice approach to the airport over there. But there is one problem: the plane's gear won't come out. Yes, this flight simulator does have a failure engine. Infinite Flight doesn't. That's why we're in X-Plane. And I'm going to have to try and land the plane with no landing gear. Right, so we're coming in for final approach. And just to prove it, look, the landing gear lever is down, but see, the gear is not coming out. So now we have to do a challenging approach on this very short runway, which will not be good at all.
Sync rate.
Oh no, the alarms are going off. I'm going so fast that the airline computer doesn't even recognize that I'm trying to land. Right?
Terrain 200.
Oh, come on. Right. Oh, that was hard. I'm bouncing. No. No. Oh my god, I'm bouncing. No. This is so bad. And we're in the water. Okay, that was very bad. I've turned into Sully now. Except I'm not in an A320, I'm in a 737. Right. That didn't go well at all. A slight overrun, but we made it, right? God, this is so bad. Okay, what is the plane doing? The plane is now spinning for some reason. Why is the plane spinning? Oh, God. Right, okay, a slight overrun, but we landed, right? Okay, now let's try a bigger plane, the Boeing 777. Let's start the plane. Right, loading. Okay, we are now in a Boeing 777. Let's just go over here. And activate flaps. No, I want to activate flaps. Alright, let's put flaps to here. Let's put flaps 15. Let's deactivate the parking brake. And let's go full throttle. Okay, plane isn't moving. Oh, here we are. Here we go, the plane is moving. This thing doesn't have very much powerful engines. It's going quite slow right now. Usually in real life it would be going a bit faster. Oh, a bit. Right, let's try and keep center with the runway. And rotate. There we go, that was an alright takeoff. Let's put its gear up. There we go, the gear is coming up. Okay, that was an alright takeoff. But now let's just skip to the bit where we're going to land with no gear.
3,000 years later.
Okay, we're coming on a very bad approach. We're going on a very bad approach here. Let's just put down the flaps. There you go. Putting down some flaps. And let's try and turn and come in at the airport. Right, this is definitely a very bad approach. Come on, turn. It's not turning. Right, I'm gonna use this like turning trick where I do completely sideways and then I like go up and it turns quicker. Right, we're definitely not in line with the runway. The runway is over there and I'm definitely not in line with it. Oh my god. Right, turn. I cannot turn the plane. This is going to be very challenging in a big plane like this. Right, this is definitely the steepest approach I've ever seen. It's even steeper than London City. Right, let's just go completely down. Alright, come on. Come on. Yep, I'm definitely not gonna make it. Oh, come on. I cannot make it. I definitely will not make it. Right. Right. Come on. The plane is drifting sideways. Crosswinds are definitely not helping. Yeah, I'm gonna overshoot the runway. I'm gonna overshoot the runway. Oh no. Stall. I'm stalling. You know, go around. Okay, let's try and land at that airport there, because I couldn't go around. Oh god, I'm going way too fast right now. I mean, this time I'm a bit lower. Let's go first person mode. I am going way too fast right now. Oh my god. Right. This is definitely the most challenging thing I've ever done. Okay, now flaps. It's warning me about the flaps, but I've quickly... You know, we're just going to have to use a strip of road. We're just going to have to use a strip of road to make our landing. I see one over there. Let's try and land there. Come on.
500.
GBWS sounds don't sound too good.
300.
300.
200.
Alright. Let's make a beautiful butter landing with no gear. Right, come on. I'm going so fast right now. Oh no. Oh no. Hill encroaching. Right. Oh god. That was a hard landing. Oh my god. No, turn. Ah! No. So, yeah guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.